guys, kembali lagi di channel Cahaya Rizka. Saat ini kita berada di daerah Santan, daerah perbatasan Aceh Besar dan Banda Aceh. Kita mau mereview bakso di sini, namanya bakso doyok ya guys. Bagaimana rasanya? Ikuti terus gimana video.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see.
Nah guys, bakso doyok ini buka dari jam 7 pagi sampai dengan pukul 11 malam. Jadi buat kalian yang mau sarapan bisa ke sini, yang mau makan siang bisa ke sini, atau makan malam atau makan tengah malam juga bisa ya guys. Oke, ikutin terus video-video Cahaya Rizka yang lain. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Assalamualaikum, bye.
It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets